farming?
45 years, huh? I'm a youth.
How old are you?
Sam, 53 and 63.
63? And what you eat, drink?
The farm.
Like tea. What kind of tea you drink all the time?
Tea, bush tea, and sometimes you drink coffee.
Okay, but you're healthy.
Healthy.
Nothing wrong with you.
No, sir.
You don't eat much meat.
No much. No, chicken mostly.
But you're all right.
Yeah, right.
Feel strong.
Yes, man.
Okay. So this is John from Manchester. You have family?
Yes, man.
Kids abroad?
No, man. We have 2 young kids.
Okay. Young?
Yes,
What do you mean young? You're 63, John.
7 and 5.
John, where you do a 63?
We are talking about, man.
How old is your wife?
36.
John, where you going with, sir? So these are the only kids you have? So what is this tree?
The flowers is there. I don't really know.
Okay, and you have these things too, the hedges. You just plant them?
Yeah, no, man, good time, no.
So you do farming for a living?
Just me living.
That is your living? So if you want to sell something to somebody abroad and them come check you, for your energy or for the view, what could you sell them? How would they support you? You don't work for people, but Cyril, what do you sell?
Yes, sell cassava. I don't know if people buy cassava.
How much acres you plant?
No, really, no.
No acres, just little.
Yeah.
And that is what you take care of your family?
Yes, I take care of my family. My wife had work otherwise, but I can't take care of in a big. You can't take care of my family. If me have it, you can go.
May I do that video? I may have some friend from Australia. Tony and Mitchie wanting to take care of John for me. This is a friend now in Manchester. Tony is a man I gonna be your best friend. So when me assign them to people, you know, then we text them and send them money for the phone and take care of you, bring barrel for you. Because them now have a friend.
Yes.
People in the world want friends. They want to share them love. They want to know so them come all the way from St. Thomas to come check John and Miss Doris. You see? And John I go cook for them. And them I go sit down and drink and look on the view. From John's view. So when I turn you into a tourism king. Because if you do farming to protect your family and people want to see a view. What is your number, John?
My number is... Soon give it to you.
Take your time. So this is Susumba. This is John's chicken.
Come. Come. Come.
But Farmer John, you all have puppy too. So if man want to buy a puppy, then can buy a puppy from you. How much puppy?
Come.
But you're like Jesus.
Come.
So everybody will come to you like you're Moses. And everybody come, dog, cats, rooster. But Farmer John, how did we... Look on the big rooster too. The whole them think they're getting food.
Yeah, man, when you can buy me half bag of feed, me bag of feed, me buy.
Well, I'm going to donate something to you for the farm because this kind of...
Come.
What? And the dog not even bite me now. Him not even... Farmer John, this is my first donation to your farm. Because you're Farmer John. God, I God bless you today.
All right, sir.
See it there? At the last... Oh, see the 1,000 there?
All right,
people, I want to support Farmer John. His number will be in the description. Contact him, send him Western Union so he can get more chicken and do the thing what I do. My program help a lot of people, genuine people.
Yeah.
And when you support him, come check on a friend now. Look on the view what him have. Yes, and elders out there, them love good people. Don't gossip with anybody. Be your good self that you are.
Yes.
But the people them would love to come and even if them want a puppy, them come and support you and look on the nice puppy them. What kind of dog them?
You just have to at the mixing and they can mix.
Them nice, eh? Wow.
Come.
So them they far. Enough turkey you have.
Two. Come. You have guinea chick.
You have guinea hen?
Guinea chick.
Him sick?
Huh?
Where you say? Well, I'm
Guinea chick.
Guinea chick.
Yeah.
You have dogs? These are the first farmer I see with this, you know. You continuing the generation.
Yes, man. Me not lay at the whole. Me come from the whole set. That me know. Me don't know nothing about this. Me don't know nothing else, brother.
But farming.
You lucky. I lucky as me do the. Oh, no, not really. I do the bird then. Cause it's a couple of full. But me I go back in the bird.
Bird.
Me tell you what truth. Me started. And me have a whole time me couldn't have the money. Couldn't feed them.
What? Chicken?
Bird. Ball plate. No.
Oh, what you do with the ball plate then?
Just wait there.
And let them go?
No, I just
You sell them?
Come here, feel it go some man. Yeah, man.
So this dog is different from that one. This other younger one.
This way.
Oh, he's more frexy than that one. That one more disciplined. What the dog them name?
Yeah, Rex, Bingo.
Rex and Bingo. Farmer John, that is your name. Farmer John. This is a real thing. This is the realest thing I ever see. Where you come. Make see if I can call them. Come. No, put her up on video because she don't go on the on video.
No.
The number.
Number no miss.
Come. Them not here. Them not take it from me.
213.
213
Yeah. 54.
54
87.
87.
Right.
People see the number there. More want to support the man. Get the man. Farmer John, a woman said to me, Randy, you know anybody can take care of 10 goat? But that's too much goat that for you.
No.
Maybe 5.
No, me never take.
Too much.
Me never take. Come here, 5, 2. Me have 3, 4 for myself now.
Yeah.
So me never take no more.
Okay, good.
Just me farm. I'll say we do since weekend. Since family me come on.
Good morning. We're spotlighting your husband on Jamaica Good Life so he can get more support. Huh?
Run.
You know me?
I watch your show.
What is this, my
Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year. You know me? Me can spotlight you? No, you're here not doing anything. Me never see him have young pretty wife like you. You know no sisters.
My sister is 31, but she is not here as me.
It's such a pleasure to. How did you meet this man? Why do you love this man? Farmer John, know him big all over the world now, everybody come see him. You watch my program?
Yes, I do.
How many years? Long time or new?
Long time.
Farmer John, me could take you man and you not even know.
Guess what? Next week, Tuesday, 8 years since we are married.
Farmer John, where the ring there? Let me see.
Let me.
Go get the ring. And 2 kids. Farmer, me rate you, but I could take you man. No, she watch me, no brother.
Yes, man.
Your woman watch me. Farmer John, your family now, me find a new friend. Look here, this is a cherry tree.
Yes.
A beautiful oh, you got this too?
Yes.
Are you that?
Yes.
How far you go back?
No carry on, man.
Oh, I hope the battery not done. See, let me see how much left. Okay, people. Michi, come check Farmer John.
The pine.
Oh, no, you do a lot of pine.
And I will give one pine to taste it.
Oh man, thank you.
Yeah, man. Put it on cassava plant. So.
Put it on cassava. You make bami?
No, they sell to make bami.
You sell to the lady?
They do make
The bami lady, me know her now. What's her name? Joy, she name or Pam? Something.
Okay. We say one name Peaches.
Oh, peaches, maybe a peaches. What is a cherry tree too?
Yeah, man, I'll be from Kleinland.
It's a special cherry.
I didn't call it cool.
Because that one them I have.
Yes, man.
This one, doggy dog. So you can't catch it from this, you have to catch it from the seed. So you know, when come here farm up my thing, you know. So when you have anything where you can't help me plant, you call me. No, me know your wife, me I go take your number.
Alright.
Me and I go talk on the back fence. You know, I go know when we are talk.
Alright.
Hey, you have to share your wife, you know, brother. So anyway, look there. What is now? So you go down here, so too. What is?
Pimento.
Pimento.
Yeah.
Do you grow any grafting?
No.
You.
Soursop.
Yeah. Oh, but the Soursop are different from the regular one on Water Road.
Eh?
No man, the one the ancient one.
God, yes man, me wanna know. The people love the leaf and take it boil tea.
Yeah, but this has a smaller leaf like this one here These are the original.
Okay. Original something, man.
Everything you have is original. More, so take care of me, my people, please. I know can't get on the pine suckers too. Me not give out friend too normally, you know, but when people want help,
yes.
When farmers have him, me say, alright.
I'm not glad for it, you know, believe me, not lie. I'm glad for it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad guy they help me.
Mm-hmm.
No matter how small it be,
Okay.
it help me.
Good. We have a number of the people that are going to reach out to you.
No
This is good because that's all you do is farming. People help Farmer John. Him can buy more pine suckers. Him can start raise chicken. Which bottom? Oh, no, have more ground down there, sir?
Yes, man, I go.
Alright, let's hook up this first. Let me see if the battery. Come on, battery. I think I have one in the car. But at least I know some have people now. Come on, time I did see you now.
Yeah.
And what is?
It's mango sucker.
What kind of mango that?
Kobe.
It nice?
Oh gosh, man.
Alright, you go get one of
That the mango nice. So because a small mango is nice.
You go get it in one little bag for me. With what?
You want a sucker?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
And what am I? Same thing?
Yes, same.
Are the where the mango tree there?
We have more mango tree, more Kobe.
Because we are going to plant. We are going to plant about X amount of suckers in our mobile. Farmer John. What is this now? Potato? Ah, so you do your farming and so you stop at the concrete?
Yeah.
And you feed your family and sell where you can to take care. 2 youth? They might go school?
Yeah, they might go school.
How do you up your hair so nice? Yes! Hurry up before the battery done. So I want to introduce you two couple to the world because I want them to support you. I want them to, hey, let me tell you something. My brother did want to build a pig pen with our peoples. See, you raise pig? No, really.
I lost my pig in the rain.
In the rain?
Yeah.
So this is Farmer John's wife. What's your name, ma'am?
Caroline, but people call me Karine.
Caroline.
Yes.
Why is it that he loves you?
Why do you love me?
Why do I love you? Because from my side, you're a woman of dignity, woman of principle, woman that I think can make life.
And you were what age? About what age him did meet you?
59.
59, and you were what age?
27.
20. So there's hope for me. Where did you meet her?
At church.
Sister, no woman are gonna love you because you're a great energy and a great couple. This is what dreams are made of.
Yes.
I want my fans to come to Jamaica, meet Farmer John, sit down with you, cook with you, eat with you. Friends.
Yes.
Because a lot of people in the world want the view, them want genuine people to be them friends. Take care of you. My friend in Australia, them watch when they come. They must start, when they watch every day, what you want for the picnic? They start about 2 years. So the people want to know, so them are friends with genuine, good Christians.
Yes.
Read your Bible.
Yes.
For help enough to expand on a business. What kind of business would you expand? If you wanted to do business, what would you do?
I am an entrepreneur.
Mm-hmm.
I do a mixture. I did nursing 12 years. Well, I'm currently working as a caregiver. Well, I used to do juice, then I gave it up and work on the highway for 3 years. So I do everything on the highway.
Highway meaning what?
The road.
Like what would you hold the signs?
Well, I did flag work.
Mm-hmm.
I did posts.
Mm-hmm.
I did a little sub base.
Mm-hmm.
I did a rough cast rendering. A tie steel.
Wait a minute.
Everything.
Hold on. You tell me say you can't count me higher for tie steel for me?
I did
Is it
everything.
8,000 a day you work? How much a day you work?
I work per hour.
Okay. So if somebody billing, so you're working full time now, 9 to 5.
Yes.
But after that you can tie some steel for your go. What about house, tie steel? You mastered
Well-
it? How many years?
No, I didn't. I just
Saw what they were doing and
saw what they're doing on the highway, and then I
you told them to.
yes. And
Farmer
actually, we put up the bars, the railing
Mm-hmm.
on the highway.
Oh, that's why you marry. That's why you love our farmer John. Somebody you want to build house for you.
And I did chicken.
You raise chicken. Would you guys go into the chicken business and expand it?
Sure.
So that's what somebody could help you with that.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes, man. I
She
would
helped
like
with
that.
Okay.
I tried already. But I couldn't manage.
And I lost everything in burial.
And my farm didn't mash up, you know, but we go check, get to help, but me never get it.
We did it over. We start again.
Right.
Give us the number again.
821-0854.
876-821
0854.
Carolina. Caroline.
Reed Ellis.
Reed
Ellis.
Ellis. Wow. And Farmer John. What's
Ellis, John Ellis.
John Ellis.
Right.
So you're Farmer John's family. I love it. I love it. You guys have internet?
Yes,
Yes.
we do.
You have internet? You have a phone?
Yes, it's inside charging because the kids killed the battery.
All right. So sometimes maybe when you get your number on WhatsApp, you just send me a video, so we can put it for say what people want to know what you're doing. Then you create your own YouTube channel, maybe.
I am on YouTube.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
What's the YouTube channel?
Caroline Reed.
Okay, spell it for those who can't spell.
CAROLINE REID.
How many subscribers you have?
I'm not sure.
Okay, you just do it for fun. But no, do it more because now that people meet
But
you
I'm on TikTok as well
yeah?
as Boss Lady.
Okay, boss. Okay. So my program, my fans, whoever you are, you need a friend, support them. Chicken. Help them buy extra. You have the coop, right?
Yes.
So if you buy a whole bunch of chicken and get support for the feeding,
Yes.
you're up and running. That would be helpful. And then maybe you could expand. You have enough. You're supposed to create a chicken enterprise, man. You know? Maybe somebody want to partner up with you and
Yes.
really do a bigger business.
Right.
No goat, no pig, but chicken.
Yes.
You know, because a lot of farmers cannot be trusted. But since you're a lady, you know, but when them call, don't gossip, please. Don't waste your time.
Yes.
Because a lot of people call the program, then they start about, Randy, please.
Okay.
That's why I'm not do the charity no more. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm not kind of,
Yes.
That's me.
you know what it is?
I stay
I
in
got
the
seen it to them,
room.
man.
Hmm?
Got seen it to them.
Because Miss Doris, I come up in your yard. And then I say, and then I see you and you smile and the energy, and I say, you know what? Record the money, you know. We have, you know, because just record the money. I get to know him. My program help a lot of people with business, hearing need, farmers, them can't even read. We help them with them. People call and help them with birth certificate. Some get married, some get van. Because I just highlight people and other people that feel the energy just say. So me know Tony, if you have a one friend in your life, you have a man named Tony, I watch this thing right now in the Australia. Him is a builder. Tony, I gotta love you. And Mitchie, because them I go come check Miss
Doris.
let me ask you. So you know can help take care of Miss Doris if we paid you.
Well, I'm currently.
I know you're working, but even in the evenings.
I came home like Saturday, like 5 o'clock, but I'm off like Saturdays and Sundays.
Yeah, so I'm going to talk to some other ladies because I want somebody to be paid to sometimes just stop by and help her clean up. And clean up the place for her, you know? Like how dear. So I'm going to get like 5 ladies together to get money together to talk to the family. And then make you the point person.
She's my god sister, you know.
A family.
Yes, my god sister.
So when she see you, she not no ill, no bad feeling. You're not good.
No, she know me very well. We get
Her
along
dad is my
very
godfather.
Okay. I want somebody. Reason why I came back today was to meet her again.
Okay.
Because when she tell me, say she's 100 now.
Yeah,
I
man,
know,
Sunday
last
gone.
week Sunday.
Gone, then do the
Yeah.
my birthday.
And I came the 6th and gave her my present. She's my priority in Manchester. So I come all the way from Mobile just to make sure she's
Yes,
all right.
Yes, yes.
She's my queen. You see. So now that me know, I'm so close, as the spirit I say, because before me leave out, the spirit said to me, Randy, go find somebody for Miss Doris. You can't left her. I do so much, but me can't do.
Yes, yes.
So when the last time I meet and before me leave now, spirit said, Randy, don't left before you come say bye.
Well, a couple years ago, like, I did geriatrics, so old people is my main priority.
Wow. So what if somebody was to hire you to take care of their mother and pay you more than what you make? No. So
Well, that would be my...
that would be okay. You will have to get a
It will be
baby.
okay,
but
it's coming from the heart.
Well, picnic, you're gonna need school food and bag, and
Yeah,
you need to get
depends
your
how you get
car.
along, because
You need a car, man.
You need a car.
Yes, man.
You need-
the pay don't matter, but it's from
the
depends how
heart.
you get along
With the person.
with the person.
But you have a good spirit. We want you to take care of my mother every day.
I'm a September born.
You're September.
Yes.
Very nice. That's why I see you catch her in other words.
Yes,
You're
yes,
lucky.
yes.
He's a lucky
I
man.
don't keep friends.
You take care of him.
Yes,
You love the care. And just because you get old, you can take young people to take care of you.
I wouldn't say no, you know.
You see her and you just had to have her.
Yeah.
All right, Carla, this is good. So where you're working right now is on the highway, you say?
No, man,
No,
she's taking a care of.
I'm doing healthcare now.
Okay. With an elder
Yes.
in a center?
No, private.
Private.
Care.
So you're doing it for a living already.
Yes.
And you love it.
Yes. I did it and then I threw in the towel and then I start again.
You're a very nice human being. She's a very nice. What date you born?
27.
And what sign is September?
I'm not sure, I don't really.
Do the sign
Do
thing.
the sign.
27. What sign you born?
Sure.
Me.
Me.
The 14th of May.
Me, man.
Me and 7, you know, that's why me and you. You're twice me. So that's why me and him, you know. We see him and I said, this man have a good energy. So this film, people, this is Randy. The dogs are here. At least I want them to try to touch. I want them more things to invite me. People, this is Randy, Farmer John's family. And the goal, I don't do much support of families anymore, but when I saw this man and Caroline, this is the family and the kids. Hi, what's your name? Oh, she's so pretty. What's your name? Can I get a touch? Wow. What's your name, sir? I'm shy. So that's your son? Your grandson?
Yeah. His name is Caden.
Caden, nice to meet you. And your name is? Wow, they're so beautiful. You guys are beautiful.
Keja is 7, Kezaria is 4,
7 and 4.
and Caden is also 4.
Wow, she's so pretty. You guys are so pretty. Hello, what do you like to play? Don't be shy.
She's nice.
I'm asking you to make bite you. So what do you like to eat? You like rice and chicken or rice and peas? Everything.
Chicken.
And look at her. So they're all on the internet, all on TikTok. So they would need more books, laptops, anything, clothes, anything.
Yes.
They want to reach out to you. And what's your number again, slowly?
821-0854.
876.
876-821-0854.
This is Farmer John's family, and he does farming for a living. So now the goal for those who are watching this is to call him and support the wife and send support so that they can directly, not to me, so they can expand the chicken business, right? Let's take a look at it. And when the man called all the animals, you know, he's like Moses. He has puppies too, so if you guys want puppies, Barbara, this is a good person to do. Him don't want the goat then, Barbara, but him need help with him chicken. Yes, Barbara, this is a good people. So when you come to Jamaica and need food or things, just develop a good relationship with them. and help the lady with her chicken business, and you guys could grow together. So this is the chicken coop, and this is a family that's into farming, and they have the old-fashioned eggs. Now let's see, hopefully my battery don't run out. Let's see where the eggs are. So this lady also might be the one on weekends to just check Miss Doris for us. You know. Look at the fowl them. So these are all common fowls.
Yeah.
So the turkey them, you know.
Yeah, good. Come on, outside.
From the dog look like same one, the egg. You want to start raise fish?
I start.
Where is the fish pond?
It's in a
I
little.
want to do one fish tank.
It's in a little boat.
Really? So you guys could... But you don't have water in Manchester. You put it on a tank. People, them have eggs. Just give me 2 of the eggs, please. Just 2. And you see this little puppy? If I was in Jamaica, I'd get one of the puppies. You could sell the puppies them now. 1 or 2 of them. So people, this is Farmer John. I have castor oil seeds.
Coffee plant. Yeah, man, castor oil seed.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get 2 eggs, and he's gonna give me a sucker of the good trees there. He might give me 2 pine sucker. That's one reason you guys need to make your friends, because when you want your 3 suckers, you come to the people I'm in Jamaica. Farmer John is a good contact. Manchester Weber, a place called Weber. So you have to Google a place. You got to go through Comfort, and his name is Doris. So you see all the pines that he plants. You could get 1 or 2 pine suckers. You know, and get a chicken for putting in your yard. Have the old-fashioned Jamaica. These are the big pine suckers. I'm so happy to be back in Manchester doing the program, but I stopped because the complications of people. But when I saw this family, I want you guys to support them. Call them directly, Western Union them. Become their friends. Keep it clean. Help them with their business. You know, oh, Farmer John, you have orange. It's my favorite thing, yeah, so Randy get blessed today. What kind of orange is? You have the Artanic, and you have breadfruit suckers. Or just 2, may I take 2 eggs, 2 Artanic. Farmer John has sorrel. You have some good breadfruit suckers. You have to know to cut them and put them in a bag. See there, so my brother come, brother go. Get to know you. I'm going to come back to my bay. Get some breadfruit suckers for the place over there, so. Wow. And Caroline brought me a pint. Me say, we don't have too much, you know. I'm not too full on yourself. Look at sir. Dear God, hold this for me, Caroline. You know, to hold it. Hold the phone. Yes. Make sure you take it. Oh, yeah, this is good. Why, people, this is Randy, the girls, them candy. Look what I get as a gift. So when I come to Manchester, 2 orange, 2 eggs, pine. I'm going to get a sucker for you, a pine sucker, and a mango tree sucker. So big sure to get Farmer John and Caroline as a friend. You know, Caroline, thank you so much. Thank you, Caroline, it's right? Thank you so much for this. Getting a gift like this. I'm going to plant the top, you know. This is from the big pine them, yeah. They're the original. This is the original. Yeah. You know, sister, the sucker them. Look up.
You see, I hate this. Sugar, you know.
That's called my number 1.
Shoot, you never eat a sweet.
Call you?
You've never eat a pine like sweet, sir.
If you tell them how it tastes.
Yeah, I call back, man.
So wait, them not selling me hard out the road?
No, because I used to see my pine. People run me down for a year time. Can I say sweet is fine, never eat.
Yeah, I said to
And
him.
this is my pint of juice here. I sell it, but
Here.
I lost this year.
It come from pear now because
Is that pear tree?
yeah, man, because barrel blow If
We
you
have
have
spare
to
from
everything.
this.
'Cause them-
Big one.
In my time, we have here, no. But because
From
there is
200 go.
200, 250.
Per pair.
Yep, one pair.
Wow, you don't need the support now because of barrel. You need to start the chicken business again.
One barrel, kind of.
Wow, so
Where come you work
Second
just
year
flat,
of freezing chicken. We bought a freezer. So the freezer is empty now.
so you have a freezer?
Yes.
How much you pay for the freezer?
It was,
75,000. 65. 55.
yeah, probably in that bracket.
Wow, Farmer John, you make me so happy. Just wow, it's such you know, to get a special pine like this.
Yeah, man, it's special. Special, real.
Cause basically, you know,
Real.
me not see them like this nowhere.
No, nowhere. You can't get this nowhere. It's original.
Just like when the Soursop tree different, you know?
Yes, man. Do you know?
You notice?
Do you know me go and get a pine sucker
Where?
from? I don't know. Get a pine sucker and come plant here. And it's the freshest pine I don't plant no more. Okay, fresh.
Oh, the white one.
Then call it muscle.
Cheese.
Then call it.
And the cheese.
Then call it bullet pine.
Okay.
No sir. No plant no more. Okay, fresh.
Wow. This for me, wow. Tony, you have a friend now. Me I forget 2 pine sucker now. Me want craving 1 tree. Whoa, you're not gonna make me start a pine business. So why you never plant more? Is because you have the space?
Pine?
Yeah.
No, sometimes you plant something between you. So sometimes you plant yam between.
Mm-hmm.
Yam can yam in but sometimes you plant yam between.
Wow. Look at this. Today, alright people, I want to forget to know Farmer John and his wife. Help him with the chicken coop. I donated 1,000 so far. You know, I want to put them out there. And this is going to become your family when you come to Jamaica. You need suckers or anything. Tony, I know say he's going to be your best friend. Barbara, support them because these are the people you want to get to know. And let me show you real quick how amazing the place is. So one day maybe you can give away one of the if you need to grow more. Them come and fall out.
Yes, I can go more.
One day more want to get a come and fall in the yard, you know. Look for you too. I want to bring your room in the yard and get you some worm. But I don't want to make no noise in the morning. I stay on place with my friends and I roost at the end of the yard. And about 4 o'clock, man, beating chest. I pay him nice, man, make like you want me to wake up at 4 o'clock. No manners. The dogs are nice, are healthy. Wow. Kids are in the yard. I want to show you the view. That's why I'm wanting to come here. Help me out. Bring my pine for me. Bring my pine for me, please. You're not going to help me. You're not hold the pine. Ah, what a day. The battery soon done, so here are people. We get a pine. All right. Get 2 orange and give me 2 egg. And go get me the pine sucker them.
Oh, yeah.
Take your time. And the mango sucker too. Put in one bag for me. Get the egg them. I have a 1 o'clock meeting. I have to go see Miss Doris. The battery's running low. The reason why I don't want to meet these people, they're good people. Support them, please. Get them the chicken coop started. And they'll tell me how much they raise. I sit down there, so this is the view you're going to have. A beautiful view. Tony, this is your Manchester family. Take care of them. Get close for the kids, sip the barrel them. You know, Michi, your family. This is your farming family. There's a lady named Michi and a lady named Barbara. These are good women. I always assign women to women. So they know you have Michi. She's from Australia. Powerful and strong lady. She plants her herbs. She's gonna, when them finally come to Jamaica, but she's gonna call you. I know they're gonna call you because they're nice people and support you. And you just build up your capital, start your chicken coop again, get back on top, you know, cause you're so smart, you know. So you're a nice lady. Nice meeting you. You all have camera too.
Yes, I actually work and the construction and I did it.
You put it up yourself?
Yes, I installed it.
Well, people, this is Randy. I'm with Farmer John and family. And I want you to support them. Farmer John, I'm going to cut off the video, but see the people, he's a farmer. Let's get the support up, all right? And contact me for any information or whatever. But you're not going to deal with them directly. Slowly, the 876 number again.
821-0854.
And that's your number. Yes. And they'll reach you. And you WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
And you have internet. What is the name of this? This purple. This is a fencing. Wow. See, so I catch you now. I catch you now. Nice meeting you. What's your name? Such a handsome fellow. What you want to be when you grow up big? Make sure when them call, give them shoe size and everything for the kids, you know.
Me.
Cause me lick you? You wanted to lick me back? What you like to eat?
Banana.
Right, banana? That's it? What about chicken? What you want to be when you grow up?
Man.
A man?
Fireman.
Fireman?
Friend.
Policeman? Superman? Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Oh, you was to go to find jokes. That was his trip.
This right here is it will catch from this, right? Like if you plant it.
Or the thicker part.
The thicker part, like the stem.
Yeah.
What is it name?
I'm not
You're not sure. It is so beautiful.
I'm interested in nursing and juice.
So is it what kind of blending juice?
Fruit juice.
You know, fruit juice in the fridge now.
No, I don't.
You have to say the juice, and right at the time you have to say your juice. Booster, what is booster? Like for men?
Energy juice.
Okay.
Like if you're cooking a food, I have my little remedy.
Oh, like turmeric and all them things there.
No.
Me just go take that one here. I go plant it in my yard so I can get the purple flowers. Is that okay? No bucket, so we want to spring back up. All right, massive. People see that one more black drum and in good can plant. When you don't wash the clothes, them you can use the water for the color. Yeah. You have the mint.
Yes, man, mint.
Jaja. That's what I want from my John. Remember, say, bed mattress if you don't have none, boom. Anything you don't have, them have black mint, you know. Wanna support them, please. If you don't love the program, love on God, these are godly people. Them your mint here, you know, my brother. I can just put them on the ground and then catch, right?
Yeah.
Are the best thing in life, you know. People who watch that video, yeah? And this. And this, you don't forget from Farmer John. And him have seeds too. So when you come Jamaica, see me, when you support him, come plant in the mint from him. Now give me no more.
Yeah, man.
Mr. Farmer John, God bless you. And then you're a child of God. Your wife is lovely. So people, you need a black drum, you need chicken business support. I need a bed for the picnic them couple how much you don't need 2 more bed mattress? 2 more bed mattress. You need 2 more bed mattress for the kids them. You see? What is name again?
The floors, I don't really know. I don't know right now. I don't know.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
So people, Caroline, the years with the kids them, these are great people. This film today was amazing because I found out how nice they were. So you see what them give me? So when I'm making friends in Jamaica, then we take care of, when I take care of them. I also supported them financially. So please, the negative people them, you know, when I was doing the Randy just go around. Hey, Farmer John. You know, so when I do the program, people are say, Randy just go around and yam people food. You know,
Okay.
so everything negative them could have said. So they don't miss spotlight the people them so them could have get help. So if the people them give me a June plum, them jealous say me a go around and people are give me June plum.
Okay, no.
That's what people say abroad, some of them. You just go around and eat people food.
No.
So then how did the people get help? So me can't get some mint. So everything me do, everything you do in a life with sometimes Jamaican. So if me give them your number, I say call him and support him, they must say, oh, where the trick there? There's no trick. Me don't need nothing. I can't see everything like a flowers, man. I really can't see the man name as a farmer with his wife and things. So please support him. Become a friend. Because, you know, but when we get... But remember, she works right now, but when she starts the chicken business, she can raise over 200 chickens. That will help you and your family. So when they buy the chicken, how much for like 100 chicken?
Usually was 30 something, about $36,000 the last time I checked.
For 100,
I'm
and
not
then
sure.
you just need help with the chicken and the feeding.
The feed was my main priority.
Problem.
Sometimes I could not feed. I
Then
buy the chicken, but the feed is hard to
get
yes,
the cost.
money, yes.
So I want you to make sure your math is correct when they call.
Yes.
Because somebody will just call you and send you all the money for it. Another person call you, just keep on saving the money for the kids and whatever. A lot of people gonna call and try to help. You know, so make sure I replay the video over and over and over, so you could establish a lot of friends to help you with your business, and then you keep us on track. If it's Randy, the chicken business is going good. I met Miss Barbara, or I met this person. This person sent me Western Union, and we bought the chicken. Randy, I'm going to buy the chicken. You know, just send me a WhatsApp, so we keep people. And then your daughter is gonna need shoes and stuff when people come down, like a family. The priority is food. So you need like barrels and stuff of food, like washing stuff, rice, anything, food. So any barrel that comes to you directly with food, or you can pick. They deliver it here.
No, I think they have a thing in Mandeville.
They would deliver it in Mandeville. I think Dennis Shipping does it there. So you'd find out the delivery company for the barrel in Mandeville.
Yes.
Find that out. So if somebody call and wanted to pack a barrel for you and send it directly to you, you can tell them what to put in it, and then they send it, pay for everything, and you go pick it up with the taxi guy over there. Just tell me, you know, Randy. You know the taxi guy, Miss Cynthia, or any taxi guy.
Oh,
Ty.
Yes.
You're part of the family. Said, hey, Randy recommended you help me out. Jamaica Good Life. So you want to know what you want, shoe size, everything. And a woman might see you and say, look, I want to help this lady. Let me start packing a barrel. What you want, food for the kids. And she become your friend. And there's so much women that watch my program. This is why people used to love my program, because I give people to help people. Me not stay in between it. Me no, I just go around and give up people number and just say help them. All right, Caroline. So you don't want you to do the chicken business. Yeah. 36 again? 30.
September, I'm 35.
35 people.
Coming, I'm 36.
Ladies, professionals. This is a lady with 2 children, husband as a farmer. Help her with her business. There's a lady that we help with her pig business. We help a lot of women. So talk to all the women, them, help her. Right? Help her with our chicken business. The chicken coop is there. She needs the feeding. She's going to do the math. You go know what you want in the barrels for the kids or food. You're going to keep it straight. and good people will meet good people. So this is all I can do. This is Randy signing off. Jamaica Good Life. Take care.